In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play King Legacy on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join King Legacy on your PlayStation console. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same as I described, and you will be able to join and play King Legacy on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 with your controller. So all that you have to do is use the search function to look for King Legacy. Once you look for King Legacy, the experience should pop up immediately. It is a very popular experience, so because of this, it's always being recommended and it's always on top of the search results. You will confirm that it is the official one by the fact that it has 3 billion visits and 90% of likes. So all that you have to do is go ahead and join. This will take a while. All of the data will have to be loaded, so you might see this black screen, so just give it some time. Eventually, you will load it into the experience and you will be able to start playing with your DualShock or DualSense controller. So you will be able to move around by using the left joystick. You can move the camera with the right joystick and the buttons will do different actions. So you will be able to jump, dash, interact with the NPCs. You can select stuff around the menu by using the select or options button, and there is a lot for you to explore. Keep in mind that functionality might be limited. Sadly, the developers have to spend more time configuring all of the buttons and all of the actions for consoles, but for the most part, it is going to be playable. And the best part is that your progress will be saved. So if you already have progress by playing on PC or mobile, when you join on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, it is going to be transferred over to the console. So you will be able to interact with the NPCs, enchant your weapons, buy fruits, buy hockey, and so on. Everything should work by default and you will be able to play with your controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play King Legacy on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.